My fellow Deltans, my name is Ovie Omo-Agege. I am running for governor of Delta State to chart a pathway for the sustained growth and development of our state. In the past 7.5 years, I served as the senator representing Delta Central Senatorial District and rose to become the deputy president of the Nigerian Senate. My service in the Senate has been very rewarding not only to Delta Central, but also to the entire Delta State. I gave jobs to Deltans across the 3 senatorial districts who got well paid and promptly too. No ethnic group was left out. I also attracted over 1,500 projects to Delta Central that are critical and life-touching. This includes solar power street lights and over 500 transformers that lit up every rural and urban communities on an unprecedented scale. We also facilitated several water projects to provide potable water for our people in various communities, schools, markets, and other public places. We also built ICT centers and constructed numerous classroom blocks in primary and secondary schools, as well as healthcare centers in the areas. But perhaps my biggest achievement is the establishment of the Federal Polytechnic Orogu and the Defense Space School that will create numerous job opportunities for Deltans. The Polytechnic is a first-class institution of its kind, never seen in Delta. President Muhammadu Buhari provided full funding for the Polytechnic in one federal budget and is now near completion. Very soon, academic activities will start for the benefit of all Deltas. Delta State is blessed with so much natural resources and with the kind of monthly allocation from FAC, Delta and its people have no reason to be poor. We lack basic amenities and major roads and government institutions are in a state of disrepair. Over the past 8 years, we've seen how 2 men, Governor Ifeanyi Okowa and Speaker Sheriff Francis Orowodo Oborowori, have mismanaged over 4.2 trillion naira, which accrued to the state and plunged the state into untold debt. Warri, as the economic nerve center of Delta State, is in shambles. This embarrassing situation, which has defaced the city, is causing human and vehicular damage on a daily basis. Asaba, the state capital, is not any better. Never again shall we allow incompetent and selfish leadership to be in charge of affairs of our state. That is why we must take March 11 governorship election very seriously. It offers us a great chance to redress the wrongs of governance in Delta State by electing the right and qualified persons into positions of authority to provide guidance, hope, and inspiration for our collective success. Our lives and the lives of our unborn children depend on the choices we make on that day.